The best way to slim down, without missing out on the right nutrients, is by focusing on your diet. A great addition to it is fresh homemade smoothies. Evergreen Smoothie Recipe: put 1 cup baby spinach and half bottle gourd/cucumber, half cup mint leaves, rock salt, lemon juice and jeera powder for taste, along with a piece of amla, some ice cubes in a blender and blend till smooth. Nutty Delight Smoothie Recipe: put half cup of puffed amaranth/raj jeera, 1 cup of low-fat milk, half frozen banana, 1 chopped date, 1 teaspoon flax seeds, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon melon seeds and blend together. Golden Glow Smoothie Recipe: get a blending jar and put 1 grated carrot, 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange, half cup of papaya, a pinch of turmeric powder, a small piece of ginger and ice cubes. Blend until smooth and then enjoy. Chai Spice Smoothie Recipe: you require 1 chopped apple, half a frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of oats, a handful of crushed walnut, 1 cup of low-fat milk, 1 teaspoon of chai masala, a pinch of cardamom and ice cubes to make a thick smooth smoothie. Refreshing Smoothie Recipe: place 1 chopped cucumber, 1 chopped kiwi, along with 1 chopped green apple and 1 cup of coconut water. Then add 1 teaspoon chia seeds, a few leaves of mint and lemon juice for taste. Add in the ice cubes and blend till it reaches a smooth consistency.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,